Hi, excuse me. Is this seat free? The cafe is very busy today, and I cannot find a quiet place. I only need a small corner to sit and study for a while.
Yes, of course. This seat is free. Please sit down. You look a little worried, so maybe your morning is not going very well.
Thank you. Yes, my morning is not great. I came here to read and finish some work, but I cannot focus at all today.
I understand that feeling very well. Sometimes the body is in one place, but the mind is somewhere else. It happens to many people more often than they think.
That is exactly how I feel right now. I open my book, then I check my phone. After that, I look around, think about other things, and forget what I wanted to do.
That sounds very normal in modern life. Phones, noise, stress, and too many small tasks can break your attention very fast. It does not always mean you are lazy or weak.
I am happy to hear that, because I was starting to feel bad about myself. I told myself, Sophia, why are you like this? But the more I think that way, the worse I feel.
Yes, being hard on yourself usually does not help. When people feel guilty, their mind becomes even more tired. A tired mind cannot stay focused for long.
That makes sense. I slept late last night and I woke up early this morning. Maybe I am trying to do too much with too little energy.
Sleep is a big part of focus. If your brain does not rest, it cannot work well the next day. Many people try to fix focus with coffee, but sometimes they really need sleep, water, and a calm start.
I drink coffee almost every day, but today even coffee is not helping. I had 1 cup at home and now I am drinking another one here. Still, my thoughts feel messy.
Coffee can help a little, but it cannot solve everything. If your head is full of worries, caffeine may only make you feel faster, not clearer. It is like driving a car quickly in the wrong direction.
Wow, that is a simple way to say it. I think my head is full today. I have schoolwork, house chores, messages from friends, and many small plans for this week.
That is one important reason people cannot focus. They do not have one problem. They have 10 small problems talking at the same time. The brain keeps jumping from one thing to another.
Yes, that is me. Even now, I am thinking about my homework, my laundry, a text from my sister, and what I should eat for lunch. It is like 10 voices are speaking inside my mind.
When that happens, the first step is not work harder. The first step is to slow down and make things clear. A clear list can calm the mind because your brain stops trying to remember everything at once.
I usually keep everything in my head. Maybe that is a mistake. Do you write your tasks down every day?
Yes, I do, and it helps a lot. I write 3 important tasks, not 20. When the list is short, I know where to begin, and I do not feel lost.
Only 3 tasks? That sounds almost too easy. I usually make a long list, and then I feel stressed before I even start.
That is very common. A long list can look like a wall, and the mind does not want to climb it. But 3 clear tasks feel possible, and that gives you energy to begin.
I think I also have another problem. When I start one thing, I stop after 5 minutes and open social media. I tell myself it is only for a minute, but then 10 or 15 minutes pass.
Yes, that small habit can destroy focus. Social media trains the brain to want quick changes, quick pictures, and quick rewards. Then, quiet work starts to feel slow, even when it is important.
That is scary, because it feels true. I think my brain wants something new every few seconds now. Even when I sit in a nice cafe like this, I still want to check my phone.
You are not alone. Many people are losing the skill of staying with one thing. Focus is not only a talent, it is also a habit that needs practice.
So focus can become stronger with practice? That gives me hope. I thought maybe I was just the kind of person who gets distracted all the time.
No, people can improve. You can train your attention in small ways every day. For example, you can put your phone away for 20 minutes and do only one task in that time.
20 minutes sounds possible. 1 hour feels too long for me right now, but 20 minutes feels safe. Maybe I need to start small and not expect too much.
That is a smart idea. Small steps are easier to repeat, and repeated action builds trust in yourself. When you keep one promise to yourself, your mind becomes more stable.
I like that thought. I think I break too many promises to myself. I say, I will study for 2 hours, and then I stop after 15 minutes, so I feel disappointed.
Then make a smaller promise. Say, I will study for 20 minutes with my phone in my bag. If you finish that, you win, and your brain learns that focus is possible.
You explain things in a very calm way. It makes the problem feel less heavy. Maybe I do not need a perfect life. Maybe I just need a better routine.
Exactly. Focus usually grows in a simple routine. Good sleep, less noise, one clear goal, short work time, and small breaks can change a lot.
What kind of breaks are good? When I take breaks, I often choose my phone, and then the break becomes too long. I need a better idea.
Try a break that rests your mind instead of exciting it. Stand up, stretch, drink water, or look outside for a minute. A break should help you return to work, not pull you away from it.
That is helpful. I also notice that I focus better when my table is clean. When there are too many things around me, I feel uncomfortable and distracted.
Your space matters more than many people think. A messy table can send many small signals to the brain. A clean space says, this is the one thing we are doing now.
I never thought about it in that way. Today, my bag is full, my notes are mixed, and even my desktop on my laptop is a mess. Maybe my eyes are tired before I even begin.
Yes, visual clutter can make your mind jump around. You do not need a perfect room, but you need less confusion in front of you. Simple space, simple goal, simple action.
There is another thing. Sometimes I cannot focus because I am afraid. I worry that my work will not be good, so I delay it. Then I say I am distracted, but maybe I am really scared.
That is very honest, and it is very real. Sometimes people do not lose focus because the task is boring. They lose focus because the task feels important, and they are afraid to fail.
Yes, that is exactly it. When the task matters, I feel pressure. Then I clean my room, answer messages, or do anything else except the real work.
In that case, the answer is not motivation first. The answer is to begin badly, but begin. When you allow yourself to make an imperfect start, fear becomes smaller.
Begin badly. I like that. It sounds funny, but it also feels kind. It gives me permission to start without waiting for the perfect mood.
And that is powerful. Many people wait to feel ready, but readiness often comes after action. Once you start, your mind slowly joins the work.
I think I understand now. I cannot focus because I am tired, distracted, overloaded, and sometimes afraid. It is not just one reason, it is many small reasons together.
That is right. And because there are many small reasons, the solution is also small and practical. Better sleep, fewer distractions, one short task, a clean space, and a gentle mind.
I already feel calmer than I did 10 minutes ago. I came here thinking something was wrong with me. Now I feel like I just need better habits and more patience.
I am glad to hear that. Nothing is wrong with you. You are just living in a busy world, and your mind needs a little more care.
Thank you, Alex. I think I will close my phone, make a short list, and study for 20 minutes before I do anything else. That feels like a good first step.
That sounds perfect. Keep it simple, and do not judge yourself too fast. Focus grows little by little, just like strength in the gym or skill in a language.
I will remember that. Maybe next time I come here, I can tell you if the new routine works for me. I would really like that.
I would like that too, Sophia. Good luck with your study, and enjoy your coffee before it gets cold. I think this morning is going to get much better for you.